Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want to avoid signing in? Start by verifying what's legitimately offered. First, check if the provider has an official demo, guest mode, or public playground. Once done, look for free trials or limited API access that require minimal registration. These are sanctioned and safe. If that's unavailable, consider running an offline or open source model on your machine. This avoids account requirements while preserving legality and privacy, so you stay compliant and still get useful results. Next, use trusted alternatives that don't bypass authentication. You can use third-party apps or services that embed the model in a sandbox demo. These provide access without your signing into the original provider. Alternatively, deploy a local large language model on your hardware or a short-term cloud VM. This gives you full control over data. Make sure to isolate accounts and use privacy measures like incognito sessions and minimal data sharing, so you maintain. To finish, confirm you're using a legal path and review the service terms and data retention rules so you understand limits. Once configured, test the workflow and save any needed outputs locally. If access does not work, switch to an official trial or contact provider support rather than attempting circumvention. One key troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, revert to an officially supported route or use a local/open source model. This prevents violations and keeps your data and devices safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.